Drive the road roller from the container. Fork out the cabin from the container with a forklift. Loosen the bolts connecting the cabin and the mounting bracket. There is a numerical number on the right front of each cabin, and similarly, there is a corresponding numerical number on the right front of each machine's control platform. When installing the cabins, please install the cabins and machines with the same number together. Use the lifting rings on the top of the cabin to lift the cabin above the road roller control platform. Please make sure to straighten the wiring harness and air conditioning pipelines to prevent pulling and pinching. Required equipment: crane or portable mobile jib mini crane. The cabin weight is approximate 350 kg. When the cabin is about half a meter away from the control platform, thread the air conditioning pipeline through the hole on the control platform. Continue to lower the cabin slowly until all the pipelines are threaded down. Then align the cabin with the mounting holes of the platform and gently place it on the control platform. Attention! During the process of lowering the cabin, it is necessary to always straighten the pipelines to prevent pulling and pinching. And also, pay attention to holding the cabin steady and avoid collision with the steering column, seats, etc. Firstly, install the connecting bolt holes of the front part of the cabin that fits with the platform. Don't need to tighten the bolts temporarily. Then go into the cabin and install the connecting bolts of the rear part of the cabin and the control platform. After all bolts are successfully installed, tighten them again. Connect the air conditioning hot water pipelines on both sides of the bottom of the cabin. Open the valves on both air conditioning pipelines when you need air conditioning heat. Connect the wiring harness connectors between the cabin and the control platform. Thread the two air conditioning refrigeration pipes into the rear frame through the middle of the machine body above the articulation. Connect them to the air conditioning compressor and tighten them. The installation of the cabin and all pipelines is completed. Charge the air conditioning refrigerant R134A with the refrigerant charging machine, vacuum pump, free on gauge. Check the installation quality. Tie all pipelines to ensure safety and reliability before using.